Hello, welcome back to my channel. Peaceful greetings, positive vibes to all. First of all, I hope all is well with each of you. Thank you for tuning back in. It's been a while, so this is just a quick video to touch bases with you guys. I haven't posted in a while. I do apologize for that. Been trying to get a few things up and running, which I will be letting you guys know about here shortly. But I just wanted to touch bases again, say thank you to all that have subscribed to the channel. We have reached 100 subscribers, so I promise you guys I will have a promotional free item that I will be giving away to some of my subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I had a couple of questions regarding summer tips, so I just wanted to drop the number one tip that I always recommend for summertime for anyone that is trying to maintain locks. It's hard to beat the heat. First of all, make sure you stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Your hair will sprout like crazy. You will be surprised the more water that you drink. Also, if you're out and about, well, when you're out and about during the day and all that, temperatures will be flaring. So keep you, of course, a bottle of water to drink on, but also a purified bottle of water just to wet your head with throughout the day. You don't have to drench your hair with water, but just, pour a little bit of water down your head, down your neck. Let it, seep through your hair and just let it be. It cools your body off and it helps to tighten up your locks. So for you guys that have starter locks that are looking for, the quick tightening method, actually watering your hair during the summertime and just letting it air dry, it actually tightens your locks up a lot, like really quickly. So yeah, keep you some water with you. Wet your hair throughout the day. Stay hydrated. And I promise you, them babies will sprout like crazy. No need for all of the products. Y'all know how I feel about products. Anybody that has watched any of my previous videos. So, keep it simple. I actually just made my first rose water last night. This is actually just purified water and the roses that I received for Mother's Day. So before they dried out, I just, threw me together some rose water, and I'm going to be spraying this on my hair actually throughout the next couple of months. I'm going to see how long it lasts, see how it, how my hair reacts to it, should I say, for the next couple of months over the summertime. So I'll let you guys know how that is. If you would please drop any comments, any questions, any topics you guys want to discuss, anything, leave it down in the comment box, and I promise I will get back to each and every one of you. Again, thank you so much for subscribing. Those that have not subscribed, if you would please hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications on. I do plan to color my hair again. I know some of you guys tuned in and watched the Dye My Locks Red video. If you notice, my hair is a little bit brighter since I made that video. I'm not gonna lie, I colored my hair again using the brand that I normally use, the Adore brand, because the Avatar brand that I used in the video, it just, y'all, it was not what I expected at all. So I went ahead and put like an orange tint on it. I don't know if you could tell, but I put an orange tint on it. And I'm gonna wait probably another month before I color it again. But I'm definitely gonna be shooting that video, and I'll let you guys tune in to see that with the Adore brand, because it is my favorite. I tried to, give my Avatar brand another try, but they just didn't work for me. So yeah, I'll film that. Stay tuned. Thank you guys again. Drop your questions. And that's it, y'all. Positive vibes. Peace and blessings to all. Y'all stay blessed.